We have started data manipulation commands in lecture 4. So this is our lecture 4, that is SQL part 2, this one. So in this lecture, I hope I have covered you most of the SQL commands. So we will continue with the remaining things today. See, here are some of the commands which we have exercised. Select, insert, um, this one commit, rollback, logical operators, comparison operators, special operators I have shown, I think. Isn't it? In which slide I stopped last class? I stopped in which slide last class? Students, do you remember in which slide I stopped in the last class? Students,
Wait, mister. We don't remember, mister.
which number? Which number?
We don't remember.
You don't remember. Okay. So which commands I gave that you did not remember? Go to this one. These commands, minimum, maximum, average, count, all these commands we exercised. Subquery we exercised. And then see this one, special operators between, also I exercised. Exist. So subquery execution exist I shown to you. This one exist. SQL to lab 4 commands I saved. Yeah, that's it. So up to that special operators I have explained to you in the last class. Up to this one, where is that? This one. Special operators like between, is, null, like, in, exist. And also in the Apex Oracle, I have saved and shown to you those commands. See, these are the commands that I gave you as a practice. Deleting, saving, okay, and then selecting this one, how to display the customer details, update command, delete command, rollback command, saving, okay, select command with conditional statements. This is the condition. This is the condition. Okay, this is alias. This one. This command is alias. Next, this one, aggregate functions like calculating the minimum, maximum, average, etc. Okay, then logical operators like and, or, not. So I have used here and. You can use or, you can use not. So these are the logical operators. Then here the like operator I have explained to you. If I want to search with the customer starting the name, first character is A. So I want to search the customers whose name begins with the letter A. So I have to use this operator called like operator. Okay, like, then which character, after that percentage symbol. So these things should be enclosed within the single quotations. So the DBMS software will look for this in the table and it will display you that data. Only the names starting with A. Okay, are only the names ending with D. I think in this there is no data, but here I saved all the commands on the desktop with lecture lab 4. So I can open like that. This one. See, the name is starting with the first name is starting with A. So in the total customers, who are the customers that name is beginning with A? So this is the person, Ahmed. So only Ahmed is displayed to you. Suppose who is the person, the name first name ends with D. So how many of them are there? One. See, Ahmad, Rashid. So in this name, the last character is D. Last character. So for that, you have to write like this: like, single quote, percentage. Percentage means any string of characters, but last one should be D. Here also, first character should be A. After that, it can be any other characters. Okay. Then next is in operator. So I want to search the customers who are existing in these two numbers. So who are the customers who has this 1001 code and 1003 as a customer code? So now see, these are the two customers, Ahmed and Balkis, whose number is this one. So you can use this operator in operator. Similarly, exist operator. See, in my customer table, who are the customers? They have balance greater than 230 riyal. See, this is the customer table. So who is having 230? I think Balkis and Ahmad is having the money more than 230 riyal. So when you run this, uh, which one it is showing? Okay, this one we need to correct it. I told last class. Exist query where I practiced last class. This is this other one. Okay. Exist. I have shown some other example. Okay, I will show that later. Mm, let me check solutions. Okay, I will give you another example for the exist command. Let me check one more time. I save somewhere where it is. Sorry. We are checking the same table. It's like this here. The exist. If we have different table, we will get the example correct. But here we are checking in only one table customer. Now imagine there is a table product. Okay, there is a table supplier. So in the product table, you have ID of product, name of product. This product is supplied by whom? This is the ID of that supplier. What is the price? Each price, qima for that product. And what is the package? Other things. This is the details of supplier. Who is he? What is his phone number? From which city? From which country? Etc. So I want to find, see, suppliers with products greater than 100. Who are the suppliers? They are selling the product more than 100 real. So for that, this is the query here. So first, this inner query will execute. Inner query will execute first. This is called subquery, and this is called outer query. And this is also the name correlated query. Okay, so here why it is correlated means this is referring to this one, foreign key. Supplier ID is the foreign key here. Okay, so this table will give you the name of the products sold by customers with price greater than 100 real. And then finally, what is their name? Only the name of that supplier will be displayed to you. Like here, these are the two examples given. So output will be like this. These are the names. These are the names of the company. So these two companies are supplying the product greater than 100. So for that, we are executing this query. So the explanation of this query, uh, is something like this. So what will happen here in this one? So as I told you that this is known as subquery. This one, what it is, what it is called,
Subquery.
means inside the question there is a question, subquery. So first, this will go to the database. So imagine your database is here. Imagine this is your database. दाखिल database मौजूद इस मौजूद table product and module product and supplier. So two tables are there. So one is product, another is supplier. So now this query, what it will do? So there is a table here. Inside this table, you have the data. Okay, so this query, what it will do? It will check for the product name and the product name from the product table. So this is the product table. Imagine this is the product table. So product table is having like what you have ID, okay, name of the product, supplier ID, etc., etc. Price, okay? Unit price. It is unit price, etc. Name of the product. These are the column names you have. Imagine like this in the table. This is like a table. Inside this table, you have the rows. You have the data. Like for example, you have here the price is uh, 99, and here you have the price is 110, and here you have the price is 130. So name of the product is like laptop, okay? And here maybe like printer, okay? Here maybe like camera. So I want to find the products whose price is greater than 100. So what this query will do, it will go to this database, okay? So this table maujood dakhil database, this one. So these are all inside this one. This everything is inside the database. So it will go to this database. Then what it will do, it will search for the products whose price greater than 100. So here, what will be your answer here? So here you will get these two records: laptop 110, printer 130. So here you will get the records like how many? There are two. So laptop and printer. So these two will be supplied as an answer or an input to this query. So here select, where is it? So this one. It will be like this. Now it will be executing like this. Select company name from supplier where this should be existing. So now it will search in the company table. So now you search in the product. Similarly, it will search in the company table. So the name of the table is sorry, supplier, not company, supplier. So from this supplier table, you have again what fields? You have ID. See here, you have ID, company name, etc. Okay, ID. Where is it? ID, company name, phone number, etc., will be there. So here I have the data for that is like ID, maybe two, um, okay, camera is from HP. Okay. Name, customer company name is HP. Phone number something 111. Okay. Number two, laptop Dell. So phone number maybe like 2222. Okay. Next, number three, like Toshiba. Phone number 33333. So imagine like here you have two and here you have three and maybe one more is there here one. So these are the records. Now which are matching here? We have laptop, we have printer. So this one only it will search for this record and this record. It will search for these two only. So what this query will display? This query will display what? What is the result? It will give me finally the name of the company who is supplying the product greater than 100. So now nicely it will print me the name is one is like HP. The output will be like this HP and not HP, Dell and Shiva. So this is the final answer from this query. So first this part is executed. What is the result is supplied as input to this outer query, this one. So this outer query, what it will do, it will go to that supplier table and it will search with this matching ID. So this and this same. So only those it will get because these are the two records whose price is higher than 100. Now I want the name of the company. So name of the company is, it will give you this column here. This condition is called joining, this one. So you are checking for the products and the supplier who is supplying that product. So the number should be same, foreign key, primary key, like that. So imagine this is the supplier ID, this one. So you will look for this number and this number here. So this is the primary key and this one is maybe the foreign key, this one. This one, imagine that this is a foreign key and this one is a primary key. So I can yeah, here 2, 3, 1 and here like another number you can say 1 1 2 2 3 3. So now this is the primary key for this table. This is the primary key for this table and here this is your foreign key, this column. This column is your foreign key and this is the primary key of supplier table. So this and this is matching, this and this should be matching. So first the inner part is executed, it will give you some result. What is the result? It gave me the name of the products, but I don't want the name of the product. I want company name who supply that product. So again, this is given to this query, outside query. So outside query will give you the name of the products. sorry, company. Which company is supplying the product greater than 100. So for that, this exist keyword we can use. Understand this one, students? You have
Yes, Mister.
two tables, data in the two tables. So the question is like this. So question is what? Like this. This is the question. Find the suppliers who supply the product. Find the suppliers products uh, more than or greater than 100 Omani Riyal. Find the suppliers. So from this, HP is Dell is one supplier, Toshiba is one supplier. Their product rate price is more than 100. So exist. So these two, Dell and Toshiba, exist in this tables, product table. Understand this one, students? Exist. So likewise, you have this one, like I show you, in I show you, between I have shown you. So these are all the special operators. Okay, now we move on to the next part. Copying the part of tables. Suppose I want to copy some data from one table to another table. I want to copy only small part of the data from one table to another table. So what is the syntax here is this one. See, insert into target table, and you are selecting the data from source table. I will show you the demo, then you can understand this one. Where is that? Yes, here. Uh, Suppose, imagine there are two tables here. One is this one. I will delete this. Now see, there is two tables. Table name is T1. So in the table T1, you have T number, mobile, name. Simple table. Just with T number is 8 digits number, mobile is 8 digit number, name is varchar. Similarly, I have table 2. So table 2 number is 8, table 2 mobile number 8, and table 2 name varchar 2. Okay. Now I am trying to uh, put some data here. Okay, in the table 2. So table 2, I will say here like 100. Name is like your student's name, like Sarah. Mobile number 1234. Something I will give. Okay. Next, like 200. Then Abir 8888. Okay. See. So these are the data present in my table 2. I want to copy these phone numbers as well as these names to this table. See, this table contains no data. هذا table فاضي. طاولة T1 empty. So T2 you have some data. So how I can copy that one? So this is the syntax we have to use. Copy the part of the table. Insert into. Now I will show you that command. See this. Insert into which table? This is the target table. This command. Which one was it? Okay. So what is this one? This is the target table. This is the target table, and this is one query, and this is another query. So what this will do is, this is the source table here. This is the source table. Source table name. So in the table T2 we have the data here. So T2 has two data, two rows. One is like Sarah, another is what? Abhi. Okay. These numbers are there, and the number is like I gave 888, and here I gave like 999 something. So this data I want to copy. I want to copy and put inside the table. Which table? T1. So what I am writing here, insert into T1. I am saying what I am inserting, name and mobile. And this command will go and get this data. Select the name and select the mobile number from this table. So it will bring the data and put that data in this T1 table. Now let us see that one. So I will just run this query. Can you see two rows inserted? See here, what are the rows? This one, Avir 8888, Sarah 9999. This is T2. So from T2, I am copying to T1. Can you see this one? Name Abir and that mobile number, name Sarah and that mobile number. So I am copying only the part of the table, not the complete table. The data from particular columns and storing in the target table. So this is the select command. Select command is nothing but the subquery. So this is executed first, like I told you before. So select query is executed first, and the output what you receive from there will be given as input to the outer query. Okay, so this is your subquery. So the output what it gives will be acting as input to this query. Understand this one, students? Inserting, copying the part of the tables. So they give you this example. I give you the another example, simple example like T1 and T2. And they give you this like this part table. From the product, they are inserting into this part table. So they created the table like this. Do you understand this one, students?
Yes, mister.
Always only one student is replying. Other students, they don't understand, it seems. Boys and other girls.
Yes, Mr. Understand.
Understand, you have to practice also this one. Okay, next one. Additional keywords we can use along with the select query. I have already shown you, like logical operators, you can use and, or, not, and some aggregate functions you can use like count, finding the maximum value, finding the minimum value, finding the average, finding the sum. So these are all the things that you can use inside your select query, like I have shown you here. So, so this is my query. Inside my query, I am using this one: maximum, minimum, average, sum, count, and this is the logical operator. And means I want to find the customers whose balance is greater than 240, and they must belong to this area 411. When you see this one, there are many customers with 411: Ahmed, Balqis, Khadija. They are from 411. What is their balance? My condition is C. Their balance should be greater than 240 riyal. So Khadija is not having balance 240, so cancel this. Balqis 411 and greater than 240. Rashid, this is not coming because the area code is different. Ahmed 411 and balance is 300. Yeah, these two records will be displayed to you as the answer when you run this code. Now see, Ahmed and Balkhi. So they belong to this 411 and their balance is more than 240. Like this, you can use OR operator, or any one of these condition. Either this condition is true or this condition is true, it will give you the result. So based on the requirement, you can use that one. Okay, and operators, or operators, not operator, etc. Next is, there is one keyword which you can use called order by. Suppose see, these are the customer names: Khadija, Ahmed, and Balqis. But I want to display the records, the output, in some order, alphabetical order. First should be A, second should be B, third should be C, like that. So for that, I have the keyword order by. Look, select star from customer. Same query where area code is equal to this one. Order by first name. I am saying order by first name. So I will not tell you this one. So this is the syntax. Select star from customer where customer code is equal to this. Order by this field. Now I will run this and see the output. Can you see the output here? Observe this one. Customer name, how it is displayed. First it is printing Ahmed because it is starting with A. Next Balkhi is B. Next Khadija, like this. Ascending order. This is if you want to display in the reverse order, like the name starting with Z, then Y, then X, then W, like that. So you have to give the keyword here descending, DESC keyword. DESC means descending. You know the meanings of descending, ascending. Descending in mathematics, descending numbers means the numbers from increasing numbers, reverse, like that. Ascending numbers. So here if I say descending, see what is output. First Khadija is displayed, then Balkis, then last A. Understand? This is the use of order by class. So I want to order the records in particular order. So I can give this in the query order by which column name. So you can select that one. Order by customer code also I can give. So this is order by class. So just this is the normal query. Select star from table where condition list. So condition is this one. Area code is this one. Then I am using order by what are the columns. So these are the columns I want. First name and last name. So which option? Ascending order or descending order? So that you can use like this. So you can use only single column also. You can use maybe like this single column, or you can use multi-level column. So this is the multi-cascading order sequence. Okay, many things you can include in that one. Other attributes you can include in the order by class, like I have here first name, last name. Okay, maybe like again mobile number. You can include anything. When you see this, these numbers are in order now. So like this, you can include order by class. Next is listing the unique values. See, in the mathematics, you have studied sets. Set. Suppose I say here, these are the values. Now, what are the values present in the set A? What are the distinct values? What are the unique values? Distinct means unique values present in set A. Set A is equal to what? How many numbers are there? Unique numbers.
3,
Yeah, 1. Another is 3. Another is
5.
so only this one. So the numbers are repeated there. So unique, distinct values are this one. So now Oracle is allowing you to use this keyword distinct. So distinct class, it will list you the unique values present in the table. So select distinct, just you have to add this one distinct. So now here is a command here. See in the customer table 411, 411, 411, 412. So total how many distinct values are there? I want to see. So I will write like this: select distinct customer area code from customer table. So there are only these two values. So in the table you can see many data is there, but how many distinct values? Only these two are the distinct values. Like I gave you the example, this one. Okay. Similarly, if there are any same mobile numbers, it will, if you have other data, same data, then it will show you what are the unique values. Okay. Next for you. So null values it will not affect. Okay. So even if you have null values, it will take that and give you the unique output. Next. Aggregate functions, as I have explained you earlier, like this one: counting, minimum, maximum, sum, average. So I want to count the total number of records in the customer. So I will say what? Select count star from customer. So this will give me the number of records Mojud Dahal customer. Now it is 4. Imagine there are million records. So it is difficult to count for you. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Just to write this keyword count star. So it will give you the total number of records. So average balance, maximum balance, okay, minimum balance, which customer is having minimum balance, which customer is having maximum. This I can execute and come to know from this query. You can also add here the other, what do you call, customer names, like first name. I have to use another keyword group by, that is explained to you later now. We can add like that also. Okay. So these are the aggregate commands. Now you can see here. These are the examples they give you. Count how many distinct vendors are there. So it is giving the 6 vendors. So this one here, select count distinct vendor, but with some condition. The condition is, see, the price is less than or equal to 10. Price is less than or equal to 10. So only those customers products details is listed to you. Select count star from product where price is less than or equal to 10 real. So it will give you the total number of products whose price is less than, like this. So here also we can give like uh, where where cost balance greater than 100 real. I want to see how many total customers are there with greater than this balance. 3 customers are there. Can you see here? Balance greater than 200, greater than 200, greater than 200. This is not greater than. So 3 customers are the total. See, I am using the alias name also here. Instead of count, it is printing me total records. So if I remove this one, it will give like this count star. But in order to make the user understand output properly, I am giving total records. Understand? So minimum, maximum, again I have shown to you. So max price means from the product table, which price is maximum. So this is giving you that minimum. This is the price output. So this is the query. When you run this query, this is the output. When you run this query, this is again the subquery. See, price is equal to this one. So we can make use of these aggregate functions like this. Average, you want to find the average of the salary, you want to find the average of your marks. You can give like this here. Select average of price from product. So it will give you like this. And here see this one is average price, and then order by also they are using here. They are ordering according to the price descending. See here, price descending means the highest number first it will come. So 256 is the highest number. 119, like this last minimum. Understand this one, students?
Yes, Mister.
Now the another keyword in addition to that order by we can use is grouping, group by. I want to group the output. So you can use in the same query group by what is the column name. Example, see here I gave. I will show you. Where is that? Yes. Group by. Here. I will show you this one first. Select customer area code, comma. I want to find the total balance from customer and group by the area code. Let us see this one. See, in this area, the total balance of customers is this much. In this area, the total balance of the customers is this much. So in the customer table, there are the customers residing in different locations, like maybe in this Bilat Sur, and maybe this one is in maybe like Albar. Albar. So what is their total salary and what is their total salary? I mean balance. So you can see from this query, 411 customers are having this much balance. 412 customers is having the total balance this much. I can take some decision, no? Who is having more money? The people of Albar or the people of Bilad Sur? So I am grouping them with this code. So in this code, this much total salary. Understand? Select cus area code. Okay. This is up to you which columns you want to select. You can include the name of the customer, etc. Okay. So this is the group by command. In the same query, I want to arrange the code in order. Like first it should be 411. Then I should use this command. Order by area code ascending means increasing. Now if I run, first 411 will come. Next 412 will come. Ascending order. I will show you in the internet. W3 schools. What is that one? Group by. See, select, count, how many customers are there, and the name of the country. Group by country. So in each country, how many people are there, customers. So I will run this. So it is telling 3 customers are there in Argentina, 2 customers are there in Austria, 2 customers are there in Belgium. Like this it is going. Same if I say here order by country sending. Now when you run, see first it is coming the character V in the alphabets A, B, C, D. So in the Venezuela, 4 customers. USA, 13. Argentina will come last. Order by. So group by country, order by this one. So here this is in the online W3 schools. You have these database. See customers, there are totally 91 customers. So from that 91 customers, I want to find how many are there in each country. So these 4 customers from this country, 13 from this country, 7 from this country, like this. Understand this one, students? Students.
Yes.
Yes.
Now another last one, this one, having. Some condition I can put, having. So same query, but I put some condition. Just the condition is I want to count only those customers whose balance is greater than 110 real. So this one, having sum of customer balance greater than this one. So now the output is again the same, but based on this condition. So you can have the examples here. W3 schools, you have online, you can understand many things here. Database is also there. See group by country, having the customer ID greater than 5. Okay, now see when you want to try this. Okay, these are the customers. So number of records having customer count means more than 5. So earlier it was displaying you less than 5 also. You can see here. Group by I cannot use. I can use order by. That is why this error is coming. Group by some condition. Okay. So this is the answer for this query. So you are grouping by country, but condition is there should be more than 5 customers. So in this country, there are more than 5 customers, more than 5 customers, more than 5 customers, more than 5, more than 5, like that. So in our example, let us see what they have given. Now see here, this is the query. Select the salesman code, comma, minimum price from product table, group by the salesman code, order by the salesman code. This is the output. This is the code. And this is the price. Now here also average they are finding. This is the query. Okay. So this way of using is incorrect. See, select v code blah 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 from product group by. So that is what I show you here. So when I comment this group by having together, you have to use, otherwise it will say the error. So like here it is showing you the error, not a group by command. So group by, order by, or group by, order by having, like that you have to use group by and order by. And now see it is coming ascending, group by or order by. So in this also you can use this one. Now see the alphabetical order A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, up to you. So if you say here D, E, S, C, first USA will come. So Brazil is last. So this is the command, the correct way of using the group by class. So group by, order by, and the code whatever you are using here, that should be used here also. If you are using here different, if you are using here different, it will show error. Having class, I told you, it is an extension of group by. So you want to group the data by using this keyword. Along with that, you can use the having class, and in the where class put some condition. So having is one condition which we kept here, like this. Or like this. Instead of sum, we can also say count. So order by, group by, having, select, and condition. So it looks like big one, but it is very simple for you. So just what you studied, like this: select star from table name, like employee. Now you add the where condition. Now you add order by. Now you add having, group by, like that. So this place you will add some condition. Group by what column name? Having what condition? Order by which column name? So here also you can mention some columns. So this is the syntax for all these slides what you studied today. So the query is same. You are putting some conditions here based on the business requirements. Any questions? Any doubts?
Yeah,
Students? Students, any questions? Any doubts? Now I will give you this query file. You practice in the internet now. I will send you that file. See, I have sent you the assignment. You have to submit me the assignment. Like here, I have told you this date. So what you have to do, you have to write the commands like this and save the file in the form of .sql. So when you write the commands here, run the command successfully, save that file in the form of .sql. Or maybe you can copy paste in the notepad like this, and you can save this file as SQL. Okay, save as SQL file. See this extension, you can see here, structured query language. Give some name, lab4, then you save extension is this one .sql. So this file you have to upload it. So it should contain uh, the commands to create these tables, constraints, data insert commands, update commands, those things. So those all you have to write in this file and upload that file here. If you have more than one file, then keep it in one folder, compress that folder and upload. So whenever you are saving the file, save with your student ID. So now I give you the file, you open the Apex Oracle and practice the commands here. Students, practice it and tell me if you face any problem. When you do the assignment, you have to show me in your workspace like this. I will ask you to log in. You have to log in your workspace and show me what are your objects you created here? The tables. When you click the tables, you should show me the data constraints what you created. Okay, and also the data what you have in your tables. Like this you have to do. Okay, now you practice that lab 4 commands now. Please practice. If you don't practice, then it is like difficult for you later. You can't do anything.
Mister, we should do it now?
Yeah, do it. Practice. Are you practicing or not, students?
Practice, mister.
Any problems, any doubts, students? Huda Khamis present.
Yes.
Siham Al Salti.
Yes, mister.
Muhammad
Yes, Mister.
Saja Al Araimi.
Yes, mister.
Hajar Al Araimi. Hajar Al Araimi. Anwar Al Sadi. Anwar.
Yes, mister. Yes, mister.
Suraya Al Kalbani.
Yes, mister.
Juhaina.
Yes, mister.
Rana Said.
Yes, mister.
Fatma Al Jafri.
Yes, mister.
Asala Al Balushi.
Yes, mister.
Jawahar. Jawahar. Jawahar Isa Muhammad. Rashid Al Ghailani. Rashid Al Ghailani. Rashid absent. Zayun Al Alawi.
Yes, mister.
Zainab Al Araimi.
Yes, mister.
Osama Al Sadi.
Yes, Mr. Here.
Zainab Al Amri.
Yes, mister.
Reem Al Jabri.
Yes, mister.
Maryam Al Mamari.
Yes, mister.
Alia Al Harbi.
Yes, Mr. I am here.
Sumaya Al Mashaikhi.
Yes, mister.
Asma Al Badri.
Yes, Mr.
Yusra.
Yes, mister.
Aisha Al Raji.
Yes, mister.
Basma.
Yes, mister.
Khalud Al Jafri.
Yes, mister.
Balqis Al Awfi.
Mr. Balqis sent you email yesterday.
Yeah, email sent, but today what time now? What time now? So maybe 5 minutes, 1 hour, 30 minutes late, okay. But complete 2 hours class.
I don't know.
Suad,
Yes, mister.
so if you just send email, I cannot put present. Please practice this one. I will check your workspaces in the open, whatever you have in the Apex Oracle or in your SQL developer. So the assignments you have to complete there, show me and submit in the Blackboard here.
Mister, this is assignment for group, yes?
Yeah, group.
Okay, we have to send one file.
Yeah, you have to send the file like this, what you have, like this. In that file, you write all the commands to create the table with constraints, with data types, and then write the insert commands, etc. It should be something like this. How it will be? It will be like this. Where it is? It should be lab one. Should be like this. The commands. So creating the table, then like this insert. You have to insert the data also. So if you want to apply some primary keys, if you later want to drop any primary key, such type of commands, you can put it in the file and save that file as SQL extension. And that file you have to upload it in the Blackboard.
Mister,
Yes.
only one student from the group have to submit, or
Why you are alone? You kept it in 3 students now.
yes, yes.
And then only one student from the group, any one member can. But I will ask while presenting, I will ask the questions to all the students.
Okay.
Okay, so practice now the third part, the SQL, we will start tomorrow. So if you are practicing this and you understand this clearly, then only you can advance SQL, you will understand here. Now you will learn how to write the program, not program here in the next part. So some more commands, joins commands will come here. Okay, so that we will see in the next class. Okay, students, so I will disconnect this one if you don't have any doubts.